Hi, third graders. Here we're going to be making a summer lap book. And you're like, what's a lap book? If you think back to Thanksgiving, when we took our file folders, we took those folders and we bended them all together and we cut out our turkeys and what we're thankful for and we colored them and we glued them on this folder and it would open up and there was our turkey and what we're thankful for. That's what we're going to do again, but we're going to do it for a summer for third grade year. Now I'm sending you all of these pictures ahead of time because if you want to print them out at home and work on them, you may. Otherwise, in your end of the year bag, June 1st for our pickup, I will have a file folder in there for you to use, so you do not need a folder. And I will also have these papers in the packet in case you aren't able to print them off at home. But if you want to get started on this, I'm going to explain what you can start coloring or drawing or writing about. And then later on in the week, I will send you a video of what my lap book looks like and where you should be gluing things down. A little tutorial. Okay, over here you can draw your best friend in third grade. Who's your best friend? Then you can draw a picture of me, that's your teacher, and a selfie, a picture of yourself, selfie. This one says, my proudest moment this year was when. So write about your most proud moment this entire year and then draw a picture about it. So it says, draw this picture, write your story, color each piece, then cut them out. I would tell you not to cut these out right now. So eventually you're going to cut this box out, but I wouldn't yet because I don't want you to lose your pieces. Okay, next one. My biggest accomplishment this year was when, and then you would color on, or you would write a story in this and color your picture, and then eventually cut out your box. And this one, the biggest challenge that I overcame this year was, what was that? So write about it, draw, you can decorate it. Next one was my favorite memory with my family this year was, you know the drill. My favorite memory with my friends this year was when. It could be in school, it can be out of school. What was that? My favorite memory at school this year was when. So what's your favorite time at school that we had this year? Think about it. And even if you need to come back to this a different day or work on this on different days, that is totally fine. This is going to take you a while. Okay, favorite snapshots. So this is going to be one of those pockets. Remember for Thanksgiving, we made pockets in our folders so that we could stick other things inside of them. So eventually you're going to cut this out, all these fun parts. And this says fold here, glue the flap down in your lap book, so in your folder. So eventually you're going to put glue on here and here and here, and you're going to fold them all inwards so that only this is showing, and then you'll have a little pocket to put favorite snapshots. Same thing with special notes. You're only going to see this once you fold these parts and put glue on them, and I will show you that again in a video later on in the week, but you can start coloring this part if you would like to. Remember, I wouldn't cut anything yet. Special notes. So these say, my favorite memory with you this year was when. So write a special note to your friends, share a favorite memory, or write something kind about him or her. Do you remember when? The funniest memory I have of you this year was when. So if we were doing this in the classroom, we would be able to hand these to people. But since we can't see everyone, if you want to, you can write this to someone who you are thinking of or someone in the classroom. We just won't be able to give it to them, or you can skip this part. It is up to you. Write a special note to your friends. So again, if you have something in mind that you want to write down, go for it. We just won't be able to share them. This one says, my plans for this summer. I will read, maybe you'll read a specific book. Maybe there's a number of books you want to read. You put that there, write a description. So maybe I will read a dinosaur book. Maybe I will read The Rest of Wonder. Maybe I will read 6 books this summer. It is up to you. Set your goal. I will watch. Maybe you're going to watch a movie or sports or anything that you are going to do. I will visit. Is there someone or somewhere special you're going to visit this summer? I will listen. You will listen to what, or you will listen to who? What do you think? I will make. Is there something you really want to make this summer or you know you're going to? I will write. Maybe you set a goal of writing how many stories, or you have a certain story you want to write. Maybe I will write in cursive and you practice your cursive, whatever you would like. I will travel to where? I will hang out with, who do you think you're going to hang out with? And I will practice. Ooh, summer is great for practicing things. What will you practice? My favorite books. I see 3 spots for favorite books. So you write your favorite book here and write a description, why or what's it about, or you can even write a rating. My favorite book is Fish in the Tree. I give it 5 stars because ... and you can write a little review maybe on why someone should read that. So that is up to you. My life in numbers. Age, how old are you? Birthday, when's your birthday? Siblings, do you have any? If so, how many? Pets, how many do you have? Your first name. Write 3 nouns that describe you. Again, what's a noun? Remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. So what is 3 things that describe you? If I was going to choose 3 nouns for myself, I would put pineapples. What else would I put? I put sunshine because I really like the sunshine and sometimes I'm happy and I feel like sunshine. And what's the third thing? Cupcakes because I really like desserts. Adjectives. What are adjectives that describe you? Remember, these are describing words. So are you tall? Are you fuzzy? Are you short? Are you happy? Are you jumpy? What are you? Anything to describe you. Are you purple? I don't know. All describing words. Up to you. And write 3 verbs that describe you. Remember, verbs are action words like run, jump, hop. I would definitely put run because remember Miss Schmidt likes track, so I'd say running. I would also put jumping because that's another thing Miss Schmidt did in track was jumped. And I would also put rollerblading because I love to rollerblade. Could I put writing or could I put painting? Those are all things that you can do. Those are verbs. Who dreams about? So what do you dream about? What do you dream about becoming or what do you dream about doing when you're older? Who hopes for? So Miss Schmidt hopes for school year that is normal and everyone can be together, happy and learning. That is what I hope for next year. Who loves? I love my 3rd grade class. Last name, Schmidt. And then I'd also draw my family. So I draw my 2 tall brothers, my parents, and my dog. Next one, subject. So it says my favorite things. So these are going to be tabs. Subject. And we're thinking math or reading or science or social studies. Miss Schmidt, does recess count as a subject? Sorry, it does not, and neither does lunch. Okay, oh, and look, specials classes down here. So I couldn't choose computers or Phi-Ed or music. It has to be a subject, something we learn in classroom. Color, I would put purple. Food, I wish I would put pineapple, but it's gonna be cheese pizza. Singer or group, what is your favorite? What's your favorite holiday? I love Easter. My favorite movie, that's a great question. Trolls. Ice cream, what's your favorite field trip you've ever been on? What's your favorite sports team? The Awesome Blossoms. And what's your favorite specials class? So those are all of your favorites. What would you put in there? And then you can color your little pictures or the borders. My schedule, so time of day. So if I had math, time of day is after lunch. Favorite thing I learned. What's your favorite thing you would have learned about math? Maybe it was you learned your multiplication facts, or you learned how to find the area, or the perimeter, or you used a ruler, or we learned fractions. There's so many fun things. Maybe it was you played multiplication baseball was your favorite thing you learned. Any of that. The next subject, you could do reading, spelling, science, social studies, writing, any subject. When did it happen and what was your favorite thing you learned? The next one, this is our class. Who do you think was the tallest in the class? Who had perfect attendance? So it says my classmates. Now we can't ask people and fill them out in class, but you could choose who you think belongs in each category. So I'll read them quick. Tallest, perfect attendance, fastest runner, highest jumper, longest hair, neatest desk, funniest, kindest friend, most talkative, quietest, can whistle, best laugh, best handwriting, best artist, best singer, best dancer, reads the most books, fastest mathematician, most active, or packs the best lunch. Will you fill all of these? Maybe not, but you could try to see who you think belongs in here in our classroom. Who would you put in there? Try to put only one person in each. This is what my classroom looked like this year. North, east, south, west. So you can draw a picture of our entire classroom in here and where you think things belonged in our room. What did our room look like? This one says, when I grow up, I want to be what do you want to be? If I did this, I said, I want to be a teacher because I love helping people, working with students and helping them learn. My future career, draw me as a teacher. Goal setter, 3 things that I can do right now to help me reach this goal are, what are things that are going to help you become whatever you would like? Mine is work hard in school so that I can keep going to school. Any of that, be kind to others, work well with others, anything that's going to help you reach your goal. And people, that is the end of it. So if you want to start filling in these, coloring them, so that when I give you your folder on turn-in day, you are ready to cut these out and glue them down. Remember, if you can't print these, that's okay, because I'll also be putting this whole packet in your end of the year bag. Okay, have fun with it.